Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually find your Steam ID, so the ID of your Steam account. Now it's very easy. The first thing that you want to do is open up your Steam application and log inside your account. Now from there we go down to the top right of our screen where we see manage account. Now from there you see your account details right here, and the thing is, here is your account name and here you see your Steam ID. So this is the ID that we're talking about. Now let's say you need your ID for your friend. So your friend's ID, it's very easy. Simply go down to Steam and from here go down to the settings, and inside the settings you see our account and here's your friend code. So this is your friend ID. You can send this to your friend and from there they can add you through Steam. Now it's easy as that. Now you can use this for whatever you like, and it's up to you. Now if you still got any other questions regarding my tutorial, or if you got other questions, leave it in the comments down below. Leave a like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.